don't be dishonest. Hey, still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I want to give you better. Baby, it's whatever.
Okay, so as y'all can see, college is not messing with me. So I'm about to teach y'all how to do this broke girl facial. So first we're going to go in with these e.l.f. cleansing wipes that are either 50 cents or $1, depending on where you live. And just get all the residue from the day off, any leftover makeup, any dirt. Just get it all off your skin so we can start with a fresh palette. Okay, so then I'm going to go in my Biore. Y'all know this is my holy grail. And just put that on a spin brush to get deeper into those pores.
And you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we is. Oh, you gotta stay in. Welcome to my house, baby.
So I did tell y'all this was a broke girl facial. We are using our clothing steamer to steam our face. So next we're gonna go with my Freeman's charcoal face scrub just to exfoliate.
Oh, welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Oh, welcome to my house.
So this next step is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I'm going to use this derma roller and just help my dark spots go away and any acne that was underneath the skin to not peep through after I use the vitamin C serum and moisturize my face.
And you know that you wanna stay.
Then we're just going to use some cocoa butter and moisturize so my face is nice and vibrant. And there you have it. Yo, balling on a budget, broke girl facial. I don't gotta spend no money. Okay.
Yeah, you know what we is.